So, today I'm bringing you the unboxing and the assembly of Fortnite Battle Bus Lego. It's very purple. As you can see, all the features, it opens up, all the Lego it brings. I was wondering, I think it's around, I'm wondering how many pieces it brings. We'll soon find out. Cut. Back again. Shit's so good. So let's see how it is. So this is the inside. All the pieces. 1, 2, 3. This is the book and the balloon of the battle bus. Set this here. So here it is. All the things that it brings and the instruction guide. So yeah. Okay.
So I'm bringing you a time lapse of the assembly of the battle bus because I don't think many of you would actually like to stick around for the brick by brick video. But if you do, I'll probably make on my next Lego that type of video. But I'm bringing you the time lapse, and on a little corner I'm bringing you some gameplay of me on Fortnite. In the end, I'm going to show you basically everything assembled and the features and the fact that it opens and all the characters it brings, okay? Here's a quick flyby by the characters and the roof with the balloon. Detail is no doubt. The vent spins, I just can't do it with one hand.
Here's my attempt of a 360 of it. And this is how you take the roof off. It's quite easy, to be honest. Here's a better view of the seats inside. Thank you very much, by the way.